Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. It's your host Daddy. We're gonna be doing some general maintenance on the Subaru WRX here. Move the Forester out, back this baby up, and then jack her up so we can take the wheels off because we're doing the brakes. And we're also gonna be doing spark plugs. We're gonna change the oil. Mr. Boosted Barney himself with the carbon fenders. So he's going through some technical difficulties with his wheels, so we'll put in the stock boys on. Good thing he can put the stock boys on because I can't. I'm running the Brembos. Carbon trunk. Yeah, it's clean, bro. You know, we gotta just dial in the fitment, but we're good. Everything else is pretty clean. I think it looks good. I like it. How much was it? I would say it's probably 150.
Just first the O2 sensor first.
I mean, we can do both at the same time.
Oh yeah, because
I'll grab my jack stands. You'll borrow.
I have the jack in there.
All right, so pull those out and then we'll jack it up. Alright, look at this roasty boy, guys. This is the rear O2 sensor. What do you guys think? Good? Not good? Okay? Barbecue life? What do y'all think? So I think it's roasted. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get part number and we're gonna see if AutoZone or Advanced Auto has it. When hope is all you got. Yo, just call them. And we put the stock boys on. Tucking, bro. I'm curious to see how this is gonna sit. Like, like I dare you to post a picture of this, man. So unfortunately, O2 sensor is not in stock. So we gotta wait until Monday. All right, don't mind the corrosion. The car's been sitting here sleeping for, you know, who knows how long. Nah, it's been a week. So I pulled out the rear brakes. They look good, so I'm not gonna do those. It's gonna be a waste of time. So I'm gonna do the front brakes and then do the oil, and then if I'm in the mood, I'll do the spark plugs next. I do highly recommend getting a punch tool, especially if you run these Brembos, because taking these pins out, it's a nightmare. So get the punch tool. Yo, but anyways, like I was saying, I still have brakes. I don't know why they were like squealing a little bit. I guess like maybe a rock got stuck in between the two while mobbing or something. I don't know, but I'm gonna just swap it out anyways. All right. Whoever made this tool is a goat. This is the magic tool. If you're ever doing your spark plug, this is the magic tool.
This is the way.
Yeah. So the spark plugs are pretty good. The other one I already packaged it up, but it still has some life left in it. I did tune on these, which is one of the reasons why I am changing them, and we'll continue this. So far so good. Our tool has been helping us. We're doing the hard side first, and then we'll do the easy side. So we finally got the left side out, or passenger side, my left. Yeah, these are a little bit more worn, but still some more life left. We're changing them anyways, because you know we got to keep this baby running smooth, running good, because you know we got to put that power down all the time, you know, right Adrian?
Yeah, you don't want to look like me.
No, we gotta
My car is shit.
don't say that, bro. Don't say
Bro,
that.
my car is shit right now.
His car is just running too rich, guys.
Bro, my car is...
If anybody knows, you know, some diagnostics we could do aside from the O2 being shot, please let us know. I know we could do a boost leak test. You know, that's still pending. All right, but yeah, if you know a guy who knows a guy who knows a thing about Subarus and running rich,
Boost leaks. Let me know.
all right, spark plugs are done, ECU's back. We got to take the oil filter off, fill it with oil, and then we're good to go. And then we got to go bed in the brakes. Meanwhile, on this side of the world, Adrian is trying to convince me. All right, let's take a look at these wheels. I mean, damn, it kind of looks good, bro. Kind of looks good. Yo, what do y'all think? You know, no more poke life. We're more like flush life, but I'd put some meaty ass tires on these. Yeah. Alright. How much you said? Ooh, we gotta think about that one, guys. We gotta think about that one. Yeah, I could.
Look at this dude.
Yeah, I'd run a 255.
I think 255 is good.
Yeah.
So my plan was, bro, I was gonna NTO3s 18 by 10 and run a 275.
Damn.
Yeah.
I don't know. Different look. I do like the silver. The silver really.
And they're dirty as hell right now.
Yeah, the silver really keeps.
I like the silver.
It keeps the look of the car. Yeah, I don't know. But then meaty boys. Woo! We filled her up. Filled her up. With oil. You know, everything is buttoned up. We're gonna set this baby down, torque the wheels, and then we're gonna bed in them brakes. Adrian. It's funny. Adrian wasn't even planned to be in this video, but he just showed up, so he's in the video now. Welcome to the club. Check out his Insta. I'ma put it in the description. All right. Check out his beautiful Subaru. Yeah, bro. It literally looks like a spaceship. It looks like you're bagged, bro. It almost looks like you're bagged. A little more low. I'm joking. He's maxed out right now.
Yeah, I know.
So you gotta run more tire. That's why.
No, I need
More tire.
coils.
More tire, sir.
Coils and slam it. Everything's
All right.
contact.
All right, we're gonna set this baby down now.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift this side up.
Now that it's nighttime, couldn't really film this outside. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Do like and do subscribe to the channel for more content. Also hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos drop. Alright guys, thanks again. Just remember, every journey is different. Until next time.